Welcome to La Rocamia House Kitchen. We're here today with Rosa, our neighbor and good friend. And today Rosa's going to be making pizza di Pasqua because Easter's coming soon and it's time to get ready for the big day. So here's the recipe, all done in Italian, of course. So we're gonna have to let you know exactly what the ingredients are. So we need 6 eggs, one, what do you call this, vial?
Vanillina.
Of vanilla. We have 2 cubes of fresh levito,
Di birra.
levito di birra, which is yeast. We have 1 lemon, which we're going to use the outside of. We have sugar, flour, and vegetable oil. So those are our ingredients for today. The first thing Rosa's going to do is she's going to measure the milk. Now, in Italy, just to let you know, everything is done in grams and the metric system. So when we post this recipe, it will be in grams and mostly grams, I think. Yeah, and so it's actually better. Rosa's going to be using the metric system, and it's actually better to go ahead and use the metric system if you can, rather than trying to translate it into the imperial system, because I think it works better to do it in the original recipe, and this recipe will come to you in grams. But I will translate it into English, so you can at least have it in English. All right, so Rosa, first thing she's going to do is measure the milk, and we need 250 grams of milk, latte in Italian. So she's using a scale, and she's going to get 250,
Sì.
250,
250.
and then she's going to heat it up so that she can put the yeast into the heated milk. Okay, I think that's good.
Scaldiamo col latte.
Yes. So here you go. High or low?
Come?
High or low?
Poco?
Alta o
No, poco.
Okay.
Deve essere leggermente tiepido. Adesso sentiamo la temperatura del latte.
She's going to check the temperature of the milk.
Deve essere leggermente tiepido, non bollente.
Okay, so she said don't boil it, just make it like a tepid,
Tiepido?
yeah, tepid temperature.
Solo per sciogliere il lievito, Maria.
The only thing she's heating it up for is so that the yeast will activate. So she'll activate the yeast. All right, so the milk is ready and she is putting in the yeast. I don't know why, but every time I use yeast, it doesn't come out right. I don't know, I'm a little bit afraid of it, but do it?
Due.
Okay, so here's the other one. Oh, sorry.
No, fa niente. Quando si cucina ci si sporca.
She says when you're in the kitchen, it gets dirty.
Se no non vale.
All right, the eggs are here. She's going to add the eggs.
Prendi una di queste.
Okay.
Grazie. Perché
So
qui
now
ci-
you're going to separate the egg. She's going to do one where she's separating it and putting the white inside. And
questo poi lo mettiamo sopra il dolce.
okay, so we're going to put this on the top, I think, to make it brown, right?
Sì.
Okay. Okay, now we're going to put in the sugar, which we need
250 grammi.
250 grams sugar. Okay. In goes the sugar. Is this what you want to stir with? A fork?
You see?
Okay. I asked her earlier, she wanted me to use my brand new KitchenAid. She said
Si
no.
può fare anche.
She said she wants to do it by hand.
Questo è tradizionale.
This is traditional.
L'olio, Margaret.
Okay, so next we're going to use oil. And do you want me to put that in here? Is that okay?
Sì.
Okay, how many do we need of that?
250.
250. This recipe is easy. So far we've needed 250 of everything. So
Tutto 250.
do 250 grams of oil. And here it goes. 200, 225, 250. Yes.
Okay.
All right, in goes the oil.
Ok. Adesso ci mettiamo il limone.
Next comes the lemon. This has already been washed. So she's going to zest the lemon into the egg and oil mixture. What about the vanilla?
Sì.
In there now?
Yeah.
Adesso?
Yes, yes.
Okay, we're going to put this in now too. In Italy, the vanilla is not black or brown, it's clear.
Mhm.
And it comes in these tiny little vials that are pre-measured.
Kilo. And then
Oh, there it goes.
yes.
Okay, it's just this top. Okay, oh, okay. So I'm just going to pour that in.
Yes.
Perfect.
A posto.
So we need 1 kilo of flour, and this flour is 00, which is in America, I think, is self-rising flour or cake flour. So I'm gonna put this in here. 1 kilo is a lot. I hope we have enough. 800, 900. Oh, perfect.
Perfetto.
1,000.